guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's your girl Sandra, aka SLymnshadi. If you are a new subscriber, hello and welcome. If you're all subscriber guys, I love you guys so much. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, click on the subscribe button down below, click on the bell as well, join the family, join the gang. So yeah guys, today I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing for you guys. I feel like recently I've been doing back-to-back Louis Vuitton unboxing, but this is going to be the last one for now, until maybe like later in your channel, you know what I mean? This item guys, you want to see this item, okay? I purposely did not unbox this item for the last video. I wanted to wait, and you know, I wanted to have my hair done. I wanted to be looking nice and good. Like I wanted to come correct. I didn't just want to come and just say yeah. No, I wanted to take my time, no pressure, no rush. So if you did watch my last video, you know that I got a 16mm adjustable monogram bag strap from Louis Vuitton, and I said that I bought that strap for a particular item that I promised to show you guys. And yeah, so if you want to see what I got from Louis Vuitton, make sure to keep watching. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So as per usual, obviously we're in lockdown, I had to order my item online, but because I got two items, it came in this massive box. So inside this box I have the item I'm going to be unboxing today. Now with this item, it came bubble wrapped, as you can see. So guys, this is my item and this is how it came, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's the wrapping for me. And you guys know, you guys already know I love to do my unboxings, okay? So I'm gonna take off the ribbon, all of that jazz, but I really do like this. Now we all know when it comes to this Louis Vuitton pouch right here, you have a little envelope where you can write a note to yourself and all of that jazz. So this is a plain white paper that comes in this envelope, so you can write a little note to your loved one or whoever you want to give this to. When you're done, just need to push it back in the envelope. Once it's sealed, you get your Louis Vuitton pouch for your little envelope, and you just tuck it in very nicely. So once that's done, I'll just take my ribbon away. I always keep this ribbon just in case I want to resell it or I want to gift it out again to someone. I have the brand new packaging the way it came, so guys, always keep this safe as well. As you can see, I got myself the mini pochette. This item is one of the hardest items to get from Louis Vuitton. Number one reason being is because it's very inexpensive. It's £280 at the moment. I tried to go on eBay just to do my own little research, and I saw this bad boy for about 380. That's almost £400. But I got mine from Louis Vuitton. Let's talk about this mini pochette. And I know you guys will be like, why did you get yourself this tiny little bag? For so many reasons. Now this is what the mini pochette looks like. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys what fits in my mini pochette and all of that jazz, and I'm going to tell you guys why I actually went for the mini pochette. So first things first, with the sizing, I feel like I personally like it. I like small bags anyways. If you know me, I'm a small bag kind of girl. I don't deal with the hassle of carrying a big bag around. If you guys have seen my Fendi bag, that's like the biggest I would go. I'm really a small bag kind of girl. Why do I love this bag? Number one, it's hard to find. Once I think it's hard to find, I want it. Now I've seen so many videos whereby people say like, to get your hands on this item they have to do A, B, C, D, E. For me, it was a little bit easy just because I have a sales assistant at Louis Vuitton, and like I always give her praises on every video, by the way, Maria. When I tell Maria what I want, it doesn't matter if the item is hard to find, she finds it for me. Like, Maria is on job. So in terms of my mini pochette, I just have to tell her, Maria, I want a mini pochette. And when I contacted her, she was like, oh my god, it's not available at the moment. And then guys, less than 24 hours later, Maria was like, I got the bag for you. So if you're trying to get this item online, trust me, you're not gonna find it. The resale market at the moment is a bit crazy for this bag. For me personally, I didn't feel like it was too hard. It wasn't a hassle for me. I told my sales assistant what I wanted, and in less than 24 hours she got it for me. So I feel like when the shops reopen, if you live in London, go to a Louis Vuitton store near you and try to make friends. Try and have a relationship with one of the SAs, so that way if you need an item that's not available online, once you contact your SA, they're able to source it out for you. This bag is called a mini pochette because it actually has another bag that's a bit bigger than this. The reason why I didn't go for that bag in particular is because when it comes to the strap that comes with the bag, you cannot take it off. And I can't lie to you guys, the straps on that bag, on the pochette, is too small for me. I cannot deal. If for instance the one that's a bit bigger than this came with the bag strap that you can take off and put back on, I would have actually gone for that size. But because you couldn't play with the strap, I didn't want no parts to it. I just felt like, no, it doesn't work for me. So when I saw this, I knew that this is what I wanted. This is canvas material. A lot of people argue, is canvas material worth the amount you're paying for it? For me personally, £280 is not as bad. I mean, to every man its own, but I just feel like it's not too bad for me. The only material that's raw leather, this mini pochette, is right here. So at the moment, this is the color that it comes with when it comes brand new. As the years go by, it starts to patina and it starts to go into like a darker brown, if that makes sense. Now moving on to another part of the bag that I really like. When it comes to the little bit of the zip, it's very buttery. Like guys, you see how that opens very smoothly? The bag and the zipper, it just works for me. One thing I might say though is that I've seen a lot of people say that when it comes to the zip, they have so much problems with it. I'm hoping that I don't have that problem. So obviously I'm going to come back to you guys in about 6 months to a year and give you guys another updated review on how my bag is holding up. But for right now, it's buttery. Obviously it's kind of new, so it's going to be buttery anyways. Another reason why I like the little zipper is that on the zip it has this LV logo. If you have a little girl, this is so cute. She can wear this to like a nice family dinner or like a school event. This is very cute, and if you're trying to pass this down to your kids, it's worth the money. Another pro as well in terms of this bag is that right now it's in fashion, it's in trend, and this is a nice bag to always pass down. Trust and believe, any age can wear it. For me, I bought this bag as my everyday bag. So guys, with the mini pochette, it comes in 3 different styles. So the one I have right now is called the monogram canvas. When I saw the 3 different canvas materials, it wasn't hard for me to pick this one, and I know this was kind of loud, kind of like in your face. It shows the LV, it's like boom boom bang, you can't miss it. But I feel like with the other 2 canvases, I feel like I've seen so much fake in it. So not saying that this doesn't have fake as well, but I'm just saying that I've seen more fake items in terms of that canvas. So in terms of the item that can fit in this bag, I'm going to try stuff it with you guys and let's see what can actually fit in there. So first things first. So first I got my iPhone and we're going to try to fit this in. So my phone is in. I was actually kind of worried I wasn't going to fit, but it went. So that's good. So the second thing to go in there is going to be my passport. And it fits perfectly, okay? If you guys seen my last video, you guys know I got myself the reverse monogram LV card holder. I got 2 cards in there. I got 1 card on this side and then 1 card on this side. So in total I have 4 cards, and I'm going to try to slot this in as well. So there's only 3 items in there. This is what the bag is looking like. It's not heavy or nothing, it's still holding up, and I still got space in there. So the next one I'm going to put in there is going to be my face mask. As you guys know, in the pandemic you need to walk around with a face mask. So this is my face mask. Normally when I put my face mask in my bag, all I do is fold it. So this is how I carry my face mask in my bag or my pocket at all times. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to shove it to one side. So as you can see, I got a little bit of space on this side. I'm gonna shove my face mask down there. So the final item is gonna go in my mini pochette. It's gonna be my car keys, and I'm gonna fit that right here, right in front of my card holder. And here we have it. This is my mini pochette. Okay, this is what it's looking like. The back is looking flat. This is the side that's going to lean on my body. And then obviously the front's a little bit bulky because I have my face mask right here, and right there I've got my car keys. Now let's try to zip up this baby and see if that's going to be a struggle. Okay, this is the bag, and this is how full it is, and this is what it's looking like on the inside. Now to zip the bag. Okay, so it looks nice. I just don't like the fact that it looks a bit bulky. That's really irking my soul. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to stand it up and see if it might look a little bit better. Okay, now I think I like it more. So I've pushed my car keys to this side, and obviously on this side I have my face mask, which is leaving the middle to be a little bit flat, as you can see. And I feel like I'd rather it this way than when my car keys was this way. I would never carry it like this, just because the strap is very, very tiny. I just feel like it will be so annoying underneath my armpit, and I would never carry it like this. I feel like, yeah, it's a bit full. And guys, I still have space, guys. Can you see this? Can you see this? I still got space at the back. So guys, if you watched my last video, you know I got the back strap. If you haven't, I'm going to link it down below. And this is how it came. Can you guys just see how amazing my bag looks with the little bag strap? I feel like I couldn't have asked for such a better combination. But I cannot wait to take a picture of me wearing my bag and the bag strap. I feel like it goes together. So as soon as I saw the bag strap, I knew that it was going to go with the mini pochette. It just looked so amazing. So yeah, I've tried to show you guys what will fit in the bag and all of that jazz. And I also told you guys why I love the bag so much. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you like my detailed review on my Louis Vuitton mini pochette bag. Like I said, this item is a must-have. If you want to start a journey into luxury items and get luxury bags, try the small bags and see if you like it or whatnot. Like I said, it's $280 for the bag and the strap is $165. Okay, anyways, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you like my channel. I hope you like my content. If you do not forget to click on the subscribe button down below. Click on the bell as well. Join the family that is gang. Okay,